Here's the full arch on 2 implants. So we're going to take this off and install this guy. So her temps, these are her finals.
So she's got to make sure that she's clean, okay? Right in the back side. I'll show you. That way you can kind of... Stop there. Do you want me to get you? You know how fast that was? Let me grab a condenser real quick.
Okay.
You didn't get it?
No.
You were just psyching me out?
Mm-hmm.
But then I saw you. I thought maybe you were busy. Here's the black one. Did I get it all?
Maybe a little bit more still. Hey, Alvin.
You can wait for her in the waiting room if you want.
I see it. It's just super deep down there. Oh, there we go. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah. So this is a technique that they don't do here in the States. I had told the patient that this is kind of an experimental thing. So we did 2 implants, 1 arch. And because it's kind of a new thing, we ran into a couple little hiccups along the way, but it should work out now. The challenging part is to take this whole thing out in one piece and then install the other one. The lab, for some reason, made the 2 of them a little bit different from each other. So just got to make sure everything still fits. So I already accessed this one, now I got to access that one. Accessing is a whole art in itself. It's a tricky thing actually, because you're looking through a microscopic tunnel. There's not much space for you to see. All right. So let's go ahead and get this guy again. This one I can't see the actual screw yet. I have to keep looking, keep removing debris. Oh, I see it now.
I see. Not my big mouth in the background. You think you're in trouble all the time?
Okay, should be able to reach now.
No, Dr. Ivan.
No?
No. It's coffee. Stopped. I can't go without. I was drinking tea. That's right, I did stop drinking coffee.
No.
My whole life. Unless you like knock me out for like a surgery or something, then I'm out immediately. And then even after that, like I wanted to get some matcha today, but
That's it. 2 implants. Okay. Let's go ahead and rinse her out, and then let's see if we can seat this new one.
you're fired today.
You're gonna fire yourself?
Error after error, yes.
This is it. This is all on 2. Originally, the lab had made them with engaging, so it was kind of tough, engaging abutments. Now we got non-engaging. So, working through the workflow. This side.
So strong, Dr. Ivan. It's gonna go ham in there. Oh yeah, from this morning we should have. That's why I wore my head down today.
So if this engages all the way, we're good. So fingers crossed. One reason it might not is just if like anything's a little bit off, the impression's off, and then we just got to check that the teeth are properly aligned. So that's the two things. So it actually seats, and then that the teeth are aligned. So let's see. Okay, that looks pretty clean. This is something that I would want. All on two.
My daughter was worried about the way it was seating and.
Okay, so we're in luck.
Yeah.
Both things are tightening down, so seat's good. It comes to a nice firm stop. Okay, now.
Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty great, yeah. That's stable. Okay, so now we're gonna put the uppers in. Her bite's always a little bit off, so let's see. Muerde, por favor. Abre. Relaja, relaja, relaja. Ajá. Relaja. Okay, ahí está.
Eso.
Ahí.
Cierra,
Okay.
cierra. Wow. All right.
Okay.
We did it.
I'll take that.
Oh, I second that.
So we're just gonna adjust it now. Wow, that's pretty good.
Olivia.
Surprise ourselves, team. We're just gonna adjust occlusion now.
Like, I just don't want to get in trouble. I said, don't worry about it.
The only trick here is that we don't have a driver that long. That's an extra long driver to torque it. So let's just check occlusion, then I'll just tighten it up with the hemostat. Muerde, por favor. Abre. Muerde. Abre. Relaja, relaja, relaja. Ahí está. Let's adjust her upper denture. Let's adjust it in the mouth because we'll probably be doing a few adjustments.
Okay. Bonito. Está bonito, Olivia.
Abre, relaja, relaja.
Abre, otra vez vamos a hacer del otro lado.
Oh, she's strong over here, so let's just finish her.
Cierra.
It like clicks into place, but then when she tries to think about biting, then it goes the other way.
There's just a lot of stuff on the floor in here.
This is my dad. He's the other dentist here. So I removed this one. Okay, I removed that. Okay. There's a metal bar and then zirconia cemented on top of it.
I'm glad it's open on the bottom.
Yeah. It'll be easier for her to clean.
Yeah.
But I'm glad it's zirconia because now it won't get. You see all the stuff that was stuck to it?
Yeah.
Now it'll be cleaner. Abre. Ahí está. Cierra. Relaja, relaja, relaja. Okay, let's adjust that. We're almost done here. Okay, relaja, relaja. La lengua ahí en el paladar. Okay. Cierra. Oh, I actually want to see how it goes. I just want to visualize it. Cierra. Okay. Casi. Let's see if she's touching over here now. Y cierra. Okay, can you tug on it to see if it actually gets...
It's kind of loose, but she kind of moved her.
We'll just adjust over here a little more. Okay, and I'll get this side now. Go ahead, pull. You can pull again. Abre. Again.
Go ahead. She's hitting more right here.
Okay. So these kind of cases, you want to make sure to remove all the occlusion over here on these back teeth. These back teeth are the ones that will make it rock, that will make it break. So.
And Dr. Andrea, I believe their light's super bright, and Dr. Lipa's.
You know what? I'm going to smooth out the upper denture. Abre, por favor. I'm ready for composites. Using patient's own teeth?
There's single use.
Okay, let's put our composite, and then we're good.
A squirrel.
I think you meant Doug, like the blue guy.
For obvious reasons. from Finding Nemo, but I also tearing apart the family unit.
Hmm.
But a lot of the times it's either the dad that's missing.
I think we're good. Yeah, you care about Mr. Fredrickson after you get emotionally attached to the.
And the little boy, he talks about how his dad's not involved.
Oh, see, I forgot about that movie. I haven't seen it. To get to his home, but doesn't realize that that new place is his home.
Yeah. He doesn't know he's a toy.
Yeah.
I was blown away by that.
Yeah, me too.
And everybody's like older.
Ok, señora.
Yeah.
Ya, eso es todo.